Hello, and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to create an orthomosaic image in WipFrag 4. Tap the plus icon to get started. Then select New UAV Analysis. From here, tap Create an Orthomosaic. Tap Select Images, and navigate to the location of your UAV images. Select the images you want to merge into an orthomosaic image. Note: creating an orthomosaic image in WipFrag 4 can take over 30 minutes, and may slow down your computer while it is processing. After selecting the images, tap Create. WipFrag 4 will create the orthomosaic image for you to view. The first step is to create the area of interest. 2 points will create a rectangle, 3 or more points will create a polygon shape. After creating this area of interest, the image will crop itself. Any portion of the image outside of the area of interest will be ignored from the analysis. After cropping the image, we are now ready to generate the edge detection parameters. Tap the EDP icon in the toolbar. You can move the slider around to better fit the material. After generating the EDP, we can do some editing. We advise that you spend around 10 minutes editing an orthomosaic image. Once you are finished editing, we can generate the results. Tap the chart icon in the upper right corner to generate the results. You can tap the export icon to export the results. Thank you for watching.